Hello everybody! Welcome back to my YouTube channel and I'm back here with another recipe to show you guys how I like to cook my pasta. For that you need to take a kadai, add some water, salt and oil. After the water comes to a boil, you add in your store-bought pasta and the pasta takes about 9 to 12 minutes to be done. After it's done, strain it in a strainer, give the pasta a cold water bath and set it aside. Now you take another saucepan, add some water, add 2 Byadgi chilies and 2 tomatoes which serve 2 people and boil it for 5 minutes and peel off the tomatoes and add the chilies and the tomatoes into a mixie jar and blend it. Now we need chopped onions and chopped garlic. For that take a medium to a big sized onion and finely chop it. Later we also take our garlic and chop it as well. I love a lot of onion and garlic in my pasta because it gives a lot of flavor. After you're done chopping your onions and garlics, heat up a pan, add some oil or butter. I've used oil here, and later you add in your garlic and fry it until it's golden brown. Now we add in our chopped onions and fry it until it's transparent and add in our prepared tomato puree and let it boil for at least 2 to 3 minutes until the oil floats. Later we add in some spices like garam masala and chili powder. Give it a good stir. Later I added some oregano, tomato ketchup and salt. I've added mozzarella cheese here. If you wish to, please do add it. After giving it a really good stir, add in the boiled pasta, give it a good toss and let it sit in the pan for another minute for it to become extremely hot and serve it in a plate and enjoy. I hope all of you liked the recipe. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such recipes.